Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to add polynomials. We've got the problem 5x squared plus 8x plus 3x cubed, and we're going to add x minus 5x squared minus x cubed. We're going to try to put together our like terms. So if you remember what we did in class, you can do this by grouping, or we can do this vertically. So I'm going to show this problem by setting up a vertical alignment. I'm going to start with my polynomial that has the highest degree, or my monomial. All right, and so that's going to be 3x cubed. And then looking through this trinomial, the next highest term is 5x squared. And then we're going to follow that with plus 8x. All right, let's go to the second polynomial, and we're adding. So this is addition. I see an x, so that's going to line up with this x here. And it sometimes helps if you put a 1 in front of it, just for that addition. Then I see a minus 5x squared, so that's going to go over here, minus 5x squared. Remember, this is a plus 1x. And then we've got a minus x cubed. And if you want, you can put that 1 there. So now we're going to add these vertically. So 3 plus a negative 1 gives me 2x cubed. 5 plus a negative 5x squared plus a negative 5x squared. That just cancels out. And then 8x plus 1x gives me 9x. And so that's that problem. All right. So want to show you where you can find your assignment in our book. So let me get out of this and go. Oops, this isn't working so well. That's just because I don't know that portion very well. Okay, so let's go to our online book. And again, you get to it by going to the waffle and choosing the hrw.com. All right, so we're in you want to check, make sure you're in the Algebra 1 textbook, and then you'll go to your student edition, and this is unit 7, and we're adding and subtracting polynomial expressions. And let's focus on here. Click, and then you can choose your assignment from the book. Oh, well, obviously I picked the wrong one. So, okay, so it's not the interactive, it's in the student resources. Where is that? And then you can go to the different lessons, student lesson. So this is from the actual book. And if you scroll down, our assignment is going to be on page 646. You're going to do 3 through 13 odd. We're going to have a meet up later to take any questions that you have, and we'll send that invite through Google